Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper for Ford's 2015-17 F150. Step 1. Disconnect your battery with a 10mm socket and any accessory cable connected to your grille. Followed by removing the body clips above your grille and headlights. Step 2. With a 7mm socket, remove the 2 bolts in the wheel well just behind each headlamp. And begin gently prying away the front of the headlight trim. Work your way down to the bumper, and just behind the trim is a bolt securing the bumper and grille. With an 8mm socket, remove this bolt from each side. Step 3. Begin removing your bumper. The bumper can be separated into 3 parts: cover, outer shell, and inner brackets. First, remove your cover by gently and evenly pulling it out, exposing the frame rails, followed by disconnecting your fog lights. Next, underneath the vehicle, just behind the outer shell on each side, is a single flange nut. With a 21mm socket, remove this nut. In the cover opening, with a 21mm socket, remove the 2 nuts securing your bumper on each side. Followed by removing each recovery hook with a 15mm socket. Step 4. Install the winch plate onto the rails by reusing all factory hardware. Step 5. If you have a winch, install it at this time, along with any pod lights of your choice. With the help of a friend, lift the bumper up to the plate and secure its side plates with the included hardware with an 18mm socket and wrench. Reinstall your headlight trim, body clips, and your battery. Reinstall your headlight trim, and you're done.